What happens when people driving without oil? Piston rod get messed up. That's how it should be. This one is worn out. That's why this engine was knocking like crazy.